Hello everyone and welcome to this networking MCQs lecture. In this video, we will explore basic networking concepts through a series of multiple choice questions. These MCQs will help you in exams like GATE, UGC NET SET, etc. So without any further delay, let us start with our questions. Our first question is, what is a computer network? A. A device used to display information on a computer screen. B. A collection of interconnected computers and devices that can communicate and share resources. C. A type of software used to create documents and presentations. D. The physical casing that protects a computer's internal components. Correct answer is B. A computer network refers to a collection of computers and devices linked together to share information, resources, and services. This interconnection enables communication, data sharing, and collaboration among devices within the network. Our second question is, what is Internet? A network of interconnected local area networks. B. A collection of unrelated computers. C. Interconnection of wide area networks. D. A single network. So the correct answer is C. In the internet is a global network formed by connecting wide area networks, enabling worldwide communication and data sharing. There is a WAN at the center and which is connecting different LANs. So this refers to as internet. Our third question is, what was the name of the first computer network? A. Snowball. B. Mac. C. ARPANET. D. None. So the correct answer is ARPANET. The full form of ARPANET is Advanced Research Projects Agency Network, and it was the first wide area packet switched network with distributed control and one of the first computer networks to implement TCP/IP protocol suite. Our fourth question is, which of the following is an example of Bluetooth? A. Wide area network. B. Virtual private network. C. Local area network. D. Personal area network. So the correct answer is D. Personal area network. So Bluetooth is a wireless technology used to create wireless personal area network for data transfer up to a distance of 10 meters. It operates on 2.45 GHz frequency band of transmission. Next question is, which of the following computer networks is built on top of another network? A. Overlay network. B. Prime network. C. Prior network. D. Chief network. So answer is A. Overlay network. So, and what is an overlay network? It is a computer network that is built on top of another network. Some examples of overlay network are virtual private networks VPN and peer-to-peer networks P2P. As you can see in the diagram, two machines are built over an underlay network. So the below computers are called as underlay network, and the above machines are known as overlay, and this whole architecture is known as overlay network. Our next question is, FDDI uses which type of physical topology? A. Bus. B. Ring. C. Star. D. Tree. So the correct answer is B. Ring. FDDI stands for Fiber Distributed Data Interface. It is a set of ANSI and ISO guidelines for information transmission on fiber optic lines in local area network. So as you can see in the diagram, this is how FDDI interface looks like, and it uses ring topology. Our next question is, which topology provides highly fault tolerance architecture? A star, B ring, C bus, D mesh. So the correct answer is D mesh. So mesh topology has a separate cables for each connection, This allows only one cable to break without interfering rest of the network. So as you can see in the diagram, these computers are connected via mesh topology. Each computer has a separate cable for each connection. So even if one connection is broken, it does not interfere the rest of the network. So this is a highly fault tolerant architecture. Next question, Ethernet system uses which of the following technology? Bus, A bus, B ring, C tree, D none. So the answer is A bus. Ethernet is a wired technology that connects devices to a network using cables. Our next question, which of the following are the network services? A file service, B print service, C database service, D all of the above. Answer is D all of the above. So network services allows each of these services, right? File service, print service, and database services. Question number 10. If all devices are connected to a central hub, then topology is called A. Bus topology, B. Ring topology, C. Star topology, D. Tree topology. So our answer is C. Star topology. A star topology is a network configuration where devices are connected to a central hub or switch in a star-like pattern. As you can see in the image, this is how the star topology looks like. It is having a central hub to which all other devices are connected. Question number 11. What are the advantages of hybrid topology? A. Scalable, B. Flexible network topology, C. Highly efficient, D. All of the above. So the correct answer is D. All of the above. So hybrid, what does hybrid topology means? It means it can contain the combination of any other topologies like bus topology, ring topology. So as you can see in the diagram here, it is having star topology as well as it is having bus topology. Question number 12. What are nodes in a computer network? A. The computer that routes the data. B. The computer that terminates the data. C. The computer that originates the data. D. All of the mentioned. So the correct answer is D. All of the mentioned. So these are the nodes in a computer network, and all these are the functions of the nodes. So it also routes the data, it terminates the data, as well as it originates the data between the hosts. Next question is, what is the term for an endpoint of an interprocess communication flow across a computer network? A. Port, B. Machine, C. Socket, D. Pipe. Correct answer is C. Socket. Socket is one endpoint in a two-way communication link in the network. Our next question is, what is full form of OSI? A. Optical Service Implementation, B. Open Service Internet, C. Open System Interconnection, D. Operating System Interface. So correct answer is C. Open System Interconnection. Question number 15. How many layers are there in OSI model? A 7, B 5, C 4, D 6. Correct answer is A 7. So as you can see in the image, there are total 7 layers in the OSI model, which starts from physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, session layer, presentation layer, and application layer. So there are total 7 layers. Our next question is, which layer deals with mechanical and electrical specifications? A. Physical layer, B. Data link layer, C. Network layer, D. Transport layer. The correct answer is A. Physical layer. Question number 17. Application layer provides basis for A. Email services, B. Frame division, C. File making, D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Email services. So As you can see in our previous question, physical layer is the lowest layer and application layer is the highest layer. This layer, application layer, is connected with the users, which provides email services, and physical layer is connected with mechanical and electrical specifications. Our next question is, in OSI model, accounting, addressing, and routing functions are provided by A. Application layer, B. Network layer, C. Transport layer, D. Physical layer. So the correct answer is B. Network layer. Question number 19. Transmission data rate is decided by which layer? A. Application layer, B. Network layer, C. Transport layer, D. Physical layer. Correct answer is D. Physical layer. Question number 20. Which address is used to identify a process on a host by transport layer? A. Physical address, B. Logical address, C. Port address, D. Specific address. So the correct answer is C. Port address. A port number is a number that identifies a process on a server that receives network messages. Next question is, which layer provides the services to user? A. Application layer, B. Session layer, C. Presentation layer, D. Physical layer. So the correct answer is A. Application layer. This provides the interface between applications and the network. It is the topmost layer in both TCP/IP and OSI model. Next question is, which layer does the data link layer take packets from and encapsulate them into frames for transmission? A. Transport layer, B. Application layer, C. Network layer, D. Physical layer. Correct answer is C. Network layer. So in OSI model, data from application layer, presentation layer, and session layer is sent to transport layer and is converted to segments. So data is taken from user, which is converted to segments, and it is passed to transport layer. These segments are transferred to network layer and are called as packets. These packets are sent to data link layer where they encapsulate into frames, and these frames are then transferred to physical layer where the frames are converted to bits. Error control and flow control data is inserted in the frames at the data link layer. Our next question is, TCP/IP model does not have dash layer, but OSI model has this layer. So this is our another model called as TCP/IP. So the question is, which layer does TCP/IP does not has? Which OSI layer has? A. Session layer, B. Transport layer, C. Application layer, D. Network layer. So the correct answer is A. Session layer. In OSI model, there are two layers, presentation and session layer, which are not present in TCP/IP model. The function of these layers in TCP/IP model are handled by transport layer. Next question is, electronic mail uses which application layer protocol? A. SMTP, B. HTTP, C. FTP, D. SIP. Correct answer is A. Email uses various protocols like SMTP, IMAP, and POP. The most prominent one used in application layer is SMTP. Question number 25. ICMP is primarily used for A. Error and diagnostic functions, B. Addressing, C. Forwarding, D. Routing. The correct answer is A. Error and diagnostic functions. ICMP is Internet Control Message Protocol, which is used by networking devices to send error messages and operational information indicating host or router cannot be reached. So our next question is, which of the following devices forwards packets between networks by processing the routing information included in the packet? A. Firewall, B. Bridge, C. Hub, D. Router. Correct answer is D. Router. Router is a networking device that forwards data packets between computer networks. They perform traffic directing functions on the internet and make use of routing protocols like RIP to find the cheapest path to destination. Question number 27. How do two devices become part of a network? A. PIDs of the processes running on different devices are same. B. A process in one device is able to exchange information with a process on another device. C. A process is active and another is inactive. D. A process is running on both devices. Correct answer is B. A process in one device is able to exchange information with a process in another device. Question number 28. Which type of network shares the communication channel among all the machines? A. Anycast network. B. Multicast network. C. Unicast network. D. Broadcast network. Correct answer is D. Broadcast network. So let us see what each type of network means. Broadcast network. In this, the information is sent to all stations in a network. What is multicast network? In this, data or information is sent to a group of stations in the network. Unicast network. In this, information is sent to only one specific station. Anycast network. This is a networking technique that uses a single IP address for multiple servers or network nodes. Question number 29. How is a single channel shared by multiple signals in a computer network? A. Multiplexing. B. Phase modulation. C. Analog modulation. D. Digital modulation. The correct answer is A. Multiplexing. In computer networks, the main goal is to share resources. This is done by multiplexing, where multiple analog or digital signals are combined in one signal over a shared medium. 30. Which of this is not a network edge device? A. Switch. B. PC. C. Smartphones. D. Server. Answer is A. Switch. So switch is not a network edge device. So what are network edge devices? These refer to host systems which can host applications like web browser. A switch cannot operate as a host. It acts as a central device which can be used to manage network communication. Question 31. Which of the following maintains domain name system? A single server. B. Single computer. C. Distributed database system. D. None of the above. The correct answer is C. Distributed database system. So, distributed database system is a collection of multiple logically interrelated databases distributed over a computer network. Question 32. Which of the following extends private network across public networks? A. Virtual private network. B. Local area network. C. Storage area network. D. Enterprise private network. Answer is A. Virtual private network. So this enables users to send and receive data across shared or public networks as if computing devices are directly connected to private network. Question 33. If a link transmits 4000 frames per second and each slot has 8 bits, what is transmission rate of circuit using time division multiplexing? A 500 kbps, B 32 kbps, C 32 bps, D 500 bps. The correct answer is B 32 kbps. So how we calculated this is transmission rate equal to frame rate into number of bits in a slot. So the information given here is frame rate is 4000 frames per second and number of bits in a slot are 8. So transmission rate equal to 4000 into 8 bps is equal to 3200 bps, and 3200 bps when converted to kbps it results into 32 kbps. Question 34. Which set of information is exchanged between client and web server during HTTP transaction? A. Info set. B. Client info. C. Cookie. D. Trans key. Correct answer is C. Cookie. Next question. In which mode authentication header is inserted immediately after IP header? A. Tunnel. B. Transport. C. Authentication. D. Both A and B. Correct answer is A. Tunnel. Question. Proxy server is used as the computer with A. With external access. B. Acting as a backup. C. Performing file handling. D. Accessing user permissions. The correct answer is A. A proxy server acts as a gateway between user's computer and internet, and also called as application level gateway. Using proxy server, client can establish indirect connection to another network. Question 37. Term IANA stands for A. Internet Assigned Numbers Authority. B. Internal Assigned Numbers Authority. C. Internet Associative Number Authoritative. D. Internal Associative Numbers Authoritative. Correct answer is A. Internet Assigned Numbers Authority. Next question. Which of the following is true for ping command? A. Ping stands for Packet Internet Generator. B. Checks the port level connectivity between source destinations endpoints. C. Summarizes the packet loss and round trip delay between two IP endpoints. D. Activates the RARP protocol of the IP layer. Correct answer is C. So, what does ping command do? Summarizes the packet loss and round trip delay between two IP endpoints. Question 39. Which of the following will breach integrity of a system? A. Looking the room to prevent theft. B. Full access rights for all users. C. Fitting the system with an anti-theft device. D. Protecting the device against willful or accidental damage. Answer is B. So full access right for all users will surely breach integrity of a system. Question 40. Which connection is necessary for a computer to join internet? A. Internet society. B. Internet service provider. C. Different computer. D. Internet architecture board. So the correct answer is B. Internet service providers. These are main agents through which every computer is connected to internet. Question 41. Which of the following allows you to connect and log in to a remote computer? A. SMTP. B. HTTP. C. FTP. D. Telnet. Answer is D. Telnet. Telnet provides access to command line interface on a remote computer. We can log into computer from command line interface. Question 42. A list of protocols used by a system. One protocol per layer is called protocol A. Protocol architecture. B. Protocol stack. C. Protocol suite. D. Protocol system. The correct answer is B. Protocol stack. So protocol stack refers to group of protocols that are running concurrently, and employed for implementation of network protocol suite. Each layer has to use one specific protocol from protocol stack. Question 43. Network congestion occurs A. In case of traffic overloading, B. When a system terminates, C. When connection between two nodes terminates, D. In case of transfer failure. The correct answer is A. Network congestion occurs when traffic is more than it can handle. Avoid network congestion, network management uses various open loop and closed loop congestion control techniques. Question 44. The main reason for transition from IPv4 to IPv6 is A. Huge number of systems on the internet. B. Very low number of systems on the internet. C. Providing standard address. D. To provide faster internet. So the correct answer is A. Huge number of systems on the internet. So due to huge number of systems on internet and lower number of available addresses, there was a transition. IPv4 provides around 4 billion unique IP addresses, whereas IPv6 provides over 340 undecillion unique IP addresses. So see such a vast difference between providing IP addresses from IPv4 to IPv6. Next question. Which of these is not applicable for IP protocol? A. Connectionless. B. Offer reliable service. C. Offer unreliable service. D. Does not offer error reporting. Answer is B. Offer reliable service. So IP does not provide reliable delivery service of data. It is dependent on transport layer protocols like TCP to offer reliability. Question 46. In classless addressing, there are no classes, but addresses are granted in A. IPs, B. Blocks, C. Codes, D. Sizes. Correct answer is B. Blocks. In classless addressing, there are no classes, but addresses are still granted in blocks. The total number of addresses in a block of classless IP addresses is equal to 2 raised to bracket 32 minus CIDR value. Next question. In IPv4, classful addressing is replaced with A. Classless addressing, B. Classful addressing, C. Classful advertising, D. Classless advertising. The correct answer is A. Classless addressing. So what happens in classless addressing? One can reserve number of IP addresses required by modifying the CIDR value and make sure that not many addresses are wasted. 48. First address in a block is used as a network address that represents A. Class network, B. Entity, C. Organization, D. Codes. Correct answer is C. Organization. First address in a block of a network address represents organization and last address in a block represents the broadcast address. Question 49. Which mail access protocol is used for sending emails across the internet? A. POP3, B. SMTP, C. IMAP, D. MAPI. So the correct answer is B. SMTP. So this is a standard protocol for sending emails across internet. POP3 and IMAP are standard protocols for retrieving emails. And MapI is an interface that helps programs become email aware. Question 50. Which software prevents external access to a system? A. Firewall, B. Gateway, C. Router, D. Antivirus. Correct answer is A. Firewall. Firewall prevents unauthorized users and dangerous elements from accessing the network. Thank you for watching this video.